If you want to compare several aspects of tools, of methods and so on, you should use custom satisfaction evaluation model. It's a general methodology that you can use with many things. I'm using this type of methodology since several years ago, and I'm going to share with you how to make it. For instance, I have used to compare virtual classrooms. Let's have a look about the results and the methodology used. I have compared Adobe Connect, Illuminate, WYSIWYG and DimDim and several others. First of all, it's difficult to make a comparison among these all items. But if you define a couple of items that define quality, it's easy to make. I have found 22 types of ingredients to define quality. But after these ingredients, you have to define the importance of each ingredient, which means that you should give a relative importance, which is normally called as a weight factor. And this weight factor is appointed to each one of the ingredients to help you in your evaluation. Now that you found that, you have to increase another thing. You have the weight factor, let's you point 1 to 5. You have to define the quality classification. So you have to define as well 1 to 5. For instance, a virtual classroom can have video, but video has no quality. So you have to make a difference between a virtual classroom that have a very good quality of video or audio, or a necessity of bandwidth or something like that. So from that you can calculate the points. And now what you are going to do? What you are going to do is ask experts or make an inquiry to evaluate these results. And each one of them will give the importance 1 to 5 to this. After that you sum to the number of points and use the weight factor as well. So from that you have two important numbers. If you multiply one by the other, you will find the total result for this tool. So you have a number. This number gives you the importance of the tool. And from this number you have to repeat for each one of the tools you are studying. You can even find a percentage of the results of each tool by a total maximum potential. Okay, now what we have, after we make the same steps for each tool, you can build up a table with the results and define which one is better than the other, and so on and so on. So this is a methodology as simple as you found, but you have to repeat this methodology for each item you want to compare. For instance, if you want to compare tools to make presentations, or if you want to compare tools to make interactive actions, and so on. So easy like this. Thank you very much for your attention.